Hello and welcome. In this audio, I'm going to show you how to use ice to prepare for labour contractions. You'll need a small bowl with around 8 ice cubes and a towel. You'll also need to find somewhere comfortable to do this exercise. Let's begin. The first step is really about trying to understand our reaction to discomfort. And why this is so important is because we rarely experience discomfort or pain in day-to-day life. As modern human beings, we're incredibly lucky that we rarely experience things like extreme temperature. We rarely push our bodies to their limits. And so this practice is all about getting familiar with an uncomfortable sensation and using techniques to work with that sensation. And this is going to put you in a position of strength for your labour. The first round is all about understanding how you react to an uncomfortable sensation. When you hear the clock start, I would like you to hold an ice cube in one hand and squeeze it tightly as you listen to my words. We're going to do 40 seconds. Let's begin. Now I want you to squeeze the ice cube and just notice your initial reaction. What's going on? How is your body feeling? Is there any tension? What's going on in your mind? Do you feel like throwing the ice cube on the floor? Just simply notice your reaction. Now drop the ice cube. We're going to move on to step 2 now. And on this round, I'd like you to breathe in through your nose for 4 and out through your mouth for 8. You're going to hear some music come in. And I want you to focus in on the music and on relaxing your body. Let's begin. In, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you take over the counting whilst listening into my voice. Relaxing your shoulders, relaxing your jaw, and just paying attention to the sensation. Can you lean into it? Can you observe it without judgment? Just relaxing into those sounds. And when you're ready, let go of the ice cube. You did longer there. We went for a minute. How did that feel? You should have found it easier with the breathing technique and the affirmations. But why don't we turn things up a notch and do another round? But this round, we're going to go for even longer. And I'm going to ask you to pick up as many ice cubes as you can with both hands. As we did before, I want you to focus in on your breathing. In for 4 and out for 6. Let's go. Focusing your mind on the sounds and the count in your head, using that as a distraction technique. Nice long inhales and exhales. Releasing that tension. These sensations cannot harm you. They are merely sensations in your body. Melt into them. Lean into this experience with every ounce of your being. This is your body and your sensation. You are creating these sensations. Your shoulders are nice and loose now. Relaxing deeply, feeling calm and centered. Now when you're ready, let go of the ice. How did that feel? You may have been feeling more tension in your body and finding the process uncomfortable, but it will get easier the more you practice. We're going to go again, and this time I want you to include a vocalization. So you'll be breathing in and just let out with a sigh or a sound. And this is all about using vocalization as a way to manage sensations and getting comfortable with making sounds. We're not worrying about any counting at the moment because as you're vocalizing, you will be naturally breathing. This is our final round. Getting ready now to pick up all of the ice cubes with both hands again. And remember, this time we're going to do the vocalization. Let's go. So you're breathing in and letting out with a sound. It might feel uncomfortable, maybe a little unnatural, but keep going with this. You need to feel comfortable making sounds, because if that's what comes to you during labour, you don't want to be inhibited. Now focus in on the music, releasing with deeper sounds. Feel free to get louder if that feels right to you. And just remember to relax your body. Lean into the experience. And remember, these sensations cannot harm you. Just like labour, you are not injured, you are not sick. It is merely a bodily sensation. Now when you're ready, let go of the ice. Now, your hands are probably feeling very, very cold. Thank you so much for engaging in this practice, and please do make sure that you do this at least twice a week. You will see the benefits and you will feel the effect, because you are now learning how to utilize the tools and techniques to work with an uncomfortable sensation. And this is something that will come back to you during your labour. So we absolutely are not comparing holding ice to the sensations of labour, but what we're trying to do is instill and reinforce the idea that having a set of practical tools like breathing and vocalization can help you to work with the sensations of labour. I would love to see you doing your ice cube practice, so when you have a moment, make sure you give me a tag on Instagram stories, and I wish you all the best for your labour and birth. You got this. Believe in yourself.